Have you ever had a bad hotel experience but said nothing?
Most people stay quiet and suffer in silence.
But today, we are going to change that completely.
Welcome to Daily English Learning. I am Sophia.
And I am Ethan. Today is a very practical episode.
We are talking about how to complain at a hotel.
But not just complain politely and effectively.
Because the way you speak gets you results.
The right words can turn a bad stay into a great one.
So stay with us. This episode will help you a lot.
Sophia, why do people avoid complaining at hotels?
Many people feel uncomfortable speaking up in English.
They worry about sounding rude or aggressive.
Or they think, what is the point? Nothing will change.
But that thinking costs them comfort and money.
Hotels want happy guests. That's their business.
A polite complaint almost always gets a result.
You might get a room upgrade or a free meal.
Or a full refund if the problem is serious enough.
But only if you speak up in the right way.
And that is exactly what we teach today.
First, let's talk about the right mindset.
Yes, your mindset before complaining matters a lot.
You are not fighting, you are asking for help.
Think of it as a calm and professional conversation.
You are a guest, you paid for a service.
And that service is not meeting your expectations.
So you are simply letting them know about it.
No anger, no drama, just clear and calm communication.
The calmer you are, the faster they will help you.
Angry guests create more problems for everyone.
But calm and polite guests get results very quickly.
Now, let's talk about the most common hotel problems.
The first one, a noisy room.
Maybe there's a loud party next door all night.
Or the room is next to a busy elevator or road.
You cannot sleep, you are tired and frustrated.
What do you say at the front desk?
You go down and say, "Excuse me, I need some help. I am having trouble sleeping due to the noise.
The room next to mine has been very loud tonight.
Would it be possible to move me to a quieter room?"
That's so polite and very clear at the same time.
Notice, no shouting, no blaming, just a simple request.
And you ended with a question, not a demand.
Questions feel collaborative, demands feel aggressive.
Always end your complaint with a question when possible.
The second common problem, a dirty room.
You check in and the room is not properly cleaned.
Maybe the bathroom has hair on the floor.
Or the bed sheets look used and not fresh.
This is a very valid complaint. Do not ignore it.
Go to the front desk or call housekeeping directly.
Say, "Hello, I just checked into room number 312.
I noticed the room has not been cleaned properly.
The bathroom floor has not been swept and the sheets look used.
Could you please send someone to clean it right away?"
Or, alternatively, could I be moved to a different room?"
Perfect. You gave specific details about the problem.
Specific details help the staff fix things faster.
Vague complaints like, the room is bad, help nobody.
Always describe exactly what you see or experience.
Now, the third problem, air conditioning not working.
Or heating not working in cold weather.
This is a very uncomfortable situation for any guest.
You call the front desk and say, "Good evening, I'm calling from room 205.
The air conditioning in my room does not seem to be working.
I've tried adjusting the settings, but nothing is changing.
Could you please send someone to look at it?"
If it can't be fixed tonight, I would appreciate a room change.
That last line is very important. Always give them an option.
You're saying fix it or move me. Both are acceptable.
This shows you are flexible, but also firm about your comfort.
Hotels appreciate guests who are clear about what they need.
Now, let's talk about a more serious situation.
What if the hotel gave you the wrong room type?
You booked a sea view room but got a parking lot view.
You booked a king bed but got 2 single beds.
This happens more than people think at busy hotels.
And many people just accept it without saying anything.
Do not accept it. You paid for something specific.
Go to reception and say, "Hello, I have a small concern. I booked a sea view double room for my stay.
However, the room I was given has a view of the parking area.
I have my booking confirmation here if you need to see it."
Could you please check if the correct room is available?
Bringing your confirmation is very smart and very helpful.
It shows you are prepared and you know your rights.
Hotels cannot argue with written proof of your booking.
Most times they will upgrade you or fix the problem immediately.
Let us now do a full example conversation together.
Great idea. I'll play the hotel receptionist this time.
And I'll be the guest with a complaint. Let's begin.
Good evening. Welcome to the front desk. How can I help?
Good evening. I have a small issue I was hoping you could help with.
Of course. What seems to be the problem?
I checked in about 2 hours ago into room 417. When I arrived, the room had a strong smell of cigarette smoke. I requested a non-smoking room when I made my booking.
I sincerely apologize for that inconvenience. Let me check right away.
Thank you, I appreciate that very much.
I can see your booking does show a non-smoking room request. We do have another room available on the 6th floor. Would you be comfortable moving to room 602?
That would be wonderful. Thank you so much for sorting this out.
Absolutely. I will have your key cards ready in just one moment. And we would like to offer you a complimentary breakfast tomorrow.
That is very kind of you. I really appreciate it.
And scene. Did you notice how smoothly that went?
The guest was calm, specific, and polite throughout.
She mentioned her booking request as evidence.
She thanked the receptionist at every step.
And she ended up getting a new room and free breakfast.
That is the power of polite and clear communication.
Now, let's talk about complaining about hotel food.
Maybe you ordered room service and something was wrong.
The food arrived cold, or the wrong dish was delivered.
Or you found something in your food that shouldn't be there.
Call room service and say, "Hello, I just received my order."
Unfortunately, the soup arrived completely cold. I ordered it about 45 minutes ago.
Would it be possible to send a fresh bowl, please?
Or I ordered the grilled chicken but received the pasta instead.
Could you please send the correct dish as soon as possible?
Short, clear, and polite. That is the formula always.
Never say, "Your food is terrible," or "Your staff is incompetent."
Even if you feel that way, those words create defensiveness.
Stick to the facts. Describe the problem. Request a solution.
What about billing problems at checkout?
This is very common and very important to address.
Always check your bill carefully before you pay.
Hotels sometimes add charges you didn't agree to.
If you see something wrong, say, "Excuse me, I have a question about my bill."
I see a charge here for minibar items on Tuesday night.
I did not use the minibar during my entire stay.
Could you please check this charge and remove it if possible?
Keep your tone curious, not accusatory.
Don't say, "You are charging me for something I didn't use."
Instead say, "I don't believe I used this. Could we verify it?"
That small change in wording makes a huge difference.
One sounds like an attack, the other sounds like teamwork.
And teamwork always gets better results in these situations.
Now, let's talk about some very powerful phrases.
These phrases work in almost any hotel complaint situation.
When you want to get attention politely, say this.
"Excuse me, I was hoping you could help me with something."
When you want to describe a problem, say this.
"I noticed that," and then describe the exact issue clearly.
When you want to request a solution, say this.
"Would it be possible to," and then say what you need.
When they apologize, always respond with this. "Thank you. I really appreciate you looking into this."
When you want to escalate to a manager, say this.
I understand. Would it be possible to speak with the manager, please?
And when everything is resolved, always say this.
Thank you so much for sorting this out. I really appreciate it.
Gratitude at the end leaves a lasting positive impression.
Staff remember grateful guests, and they treat them better.
Ethan, have you ever had a bad hotel experience yourself?
Yes, one time I checked into a hotel very late at night.
What happened?
My room had no hot water at all in the middle of winter.
Oh, that's terrible. What did you do?
Honestly, my first reaction was to be angry and frustrated.
That's very natural. Most people would feel the same.
But I took a breath and called the front desk calmly.
What did you say?
I said, "Good evening. I'm sorry to call so late. I'm in room 114 and there seems to be no hot water. I've tried waiting, but it hasn't improved at all."
Very polite, even at midnight. What did they say?
They apologized immediately and sent someone within 10 minutes.
And was it fixed?
They couldn't fix it that night, so they moved me to a suite.
A suite? Just because you were polite about it?
Exactly. If I had shouted, they probably would have been defensive.
But because you were calm, they went above and beyond for you.
Politeness is not weakness. It's actually your strongest tool.
That story says everything about today's topic perfectly.
Let's also talk about what not to say at a hotel.
Yes, some phrases will make things worse immediately.
Never say, "This is the worst hotel I have ever stayed in."
Never say, "Your staff is rude and incompetent."
Never say, "I'm going to leave a terrible review online."
That sounds like a threat. It puts staff on the defensive.
Never say, "Do you know how much I'm paying for this room?"
That sounds arrogant and rarely gets you better service.
And never raise your voice or use aggressive body language.
Even if you are very frustrated inside, stay composed outside.
Your composure is what gives you power in the conversation.
The moment you lose your composure, you lose your advantage.
Let us do a quick full recap of everything we covered today.
First, always approach complaints with a calm mindset.
You are asking for help, not starting a fight.
Second, be specific about the problem you are facing.
Vague complaints get vague results or no results at all.
Third, always give them a solution to work towards.
Ask a question instead of making a demand.
Fourth, bring proof when you have it. Booking confirmations help.
Fifth, use the magic phrases we shared throughout today.
Sixth, never threaten, never raise your voice, never blame.
Seventh, always thank them when the issue is resolved.
And eighth, remember that politeness is your greatest power.
These 8 points will serve you in any hotel anywhere in the world.
Listeners, next time you travel, you are ready.
You have the words, you have the phrases, you have the confidence.
Do not suffer in silence. Do not accept less than you paid for.